Finally, it's here. Okay, so in today's video, we have something special. I'm excited to bring a review for this, and at the same time, I'm a little nervous because I want to get this review as perfect as I can for you guys. So today we are going to be taking a look at phones. Let's check it out together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefright. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video is going to be a different one, okay? Now, I know you guys are usually used to me doing clothing and apparel reviews. That's what I'm known for, mainly sneakers, you know. I review the product, I go ahead and do an on-feet look for it. However, every now and then, I do have other interests as well. And, you know, sometimes I do want to go ahead and bring it to the channel. And it's just really for me to kind of exercise and practice and, you know, kind of help you guys out as well. So today we are going to be taking a look at the latest device from Apple, which is the iPhone 13 Pro, and we are going to be looking at the iPhone 13 Pro Max as well. Now, I'm going to break this up. I don't know how long I'm going to make this video, but I'm going to try to break this up as much as I can, because Apple, every single year, they go ahead and roll out an event, and they basically show off all their devices for the latest, like for their lineups. We did get a Series 7 watch. We also did go ahead and get another iPad mini, and then everyone's fan favorites, all the consumers' fan favorites, iPhone. So I went ahead and, as you saw from the intro, that's what we're gonna be taking a look at today. So I hope you guys are excited, because I'm pretty excited. I really want this review to be like the best that I can do for you guys. I mean, I'm not no tech expert, okay? I ain't no tech expert. If you're looking for that, you probably come to the wrong place. I'm just a regular consumer who has interest in bringing reviews to products that I like, and I just happen to be doing a review over the iPhone. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, like and subscribe for this channel, because we are on the race to 1,000 subscribers, and I just really want to do the best I possibly can for you guys. So without further ado, let's dive into this review. All right, boom. So here we go right here. We're about to go ahead and break this box open to actually see the device. But before we do, I want to give you guys, just like I said, I want to make this review really good. So I want to give you guys just a small little overview of like the certain devices that did come out as well. So Apple, they did have their event, and like I said, they went over where they released the iPhone 13 was showing off. So there was, just how they did last year for the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro, there were different versions that did come out. So right here I have my computer, and I just want to go ahead and give you guys like the best information that I can. So the iPhone 13 is the standard version that did come out as well. It's a 6.1 inch display, and then there also is an iPhone 13 mini, which is a 5.4 inch display. Starting price for the iPhone 13 mini is $699, apologies, and then for the iPhone 13 it is $799. Now the different colors that do cater to this are pink, blue, midnight, starlight, and red. Let me know down below exactly what color, if you were to go with that, which one would you go with. The storage capacity that it has to cater to is 128, you have 256, and you do have 512 gigabytes. I will leave a link in the description as where you can go ahead and you can find these if you want to go ahead and purchase them off. I'm actually looking at Apple right now, so if you want to go ahead and check it out, I will leave a link down below. So with that said, let me go ahead and now we can dive into the iPhone 13 Pro series. Let's get it. So let me go ahead and grab my fancy handy knife right there. Let's go ahead and cut into this box. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys the Pro and the Pro Max. The Pro Max is mine, and shout out to my mom. She actually let me go ahead and use her Pro for review, so I do appreciate you, Mom. I love you. Let's actually show you guys the, ooh, look at that blue though. Let me go ahead and show you the side-by-side comparison. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro, and then this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I want to give you guys some information as well regarding the Pro version. So the iPhone 13 Pro is a 6.1 inch display, and then you do have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is a 6.7 inch display. So you do get a little bit bigger in phone. The starting price for the iPhone 13 Pro, and I will put a picture right now so you can see that, is $999, and then it does go up in price depending on how much gigabyte in storage you do decide to go ahead and get. And then for the iPhone 13 Pro Pro Max, their starting price point is $10.99. Now they did go ahead and show off new colors as well. We do get Sierra Blue, we do get silver, we do get gold, and we do get graphite. Now Sierra Blue, if I'm not mistaken, is the newest color to Apple's color choice for the iPhone lineup. So I know a lot of people went ahead and got that. I know that's what I got, and as you guys just saw, and man, let me tell you, the shipping took forever, but I'm glad I got it. And then looking at the storage, we do have a 128 gigabyte, we have a 256 gigabyte, we have 512 gigabyte, and we do have, if you want to go that big, you can. You have 1 terabyte. I don't need all that, so I just went with the regular version, and then my mom also went with the regular version as well. So without further ado, let me go ahead and actually open this up right now so you guys can see that. So let's go ahead and actually, no, you know what, hold on. Gotta give y'all a better perspective. Gotta give y'all a better perspective. So let's go ahead and actually take out this right here. This is the box it comes in. Right there, and I will give you a better overlook as well because I want you guys to get a close-up, and then voila, we are given the phone right here. Boom, iPhone 13 Pro in that gold colorway. This is nice. This is nice. You do get the 3 cameras. That's what the Pro series does kind of cater to. More of that photography type of, like, you know, videography type of look to it. So if you are interested in that, that's what this phone caters a lot to. Let me go ahead and show what's actually come in this one. So you do get your Designed by Apple in California, your little stickers right there, and then you go ahead and as you take it out, you do get your lightning cable. Now, one thing I'm kind of upset that is it does not come with a power adapter. I mean, I remember back in the day, I mean, the current phone I'm using right now is an iPhone 7 Plus. But back in the day though, they used to give you a power adapter. I don't know what that's about, but there you go, right there. Here is the iPhone 13 Pro, rose gold, and now we're gonna take a look into the iPhone 13 Pro Max. All right, so here we go. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in that Sierra Blue, and I will also do a side-by-side comparison so you can see, like, you know, the different sizes and the colors as well a little bit closer. So why can't I take this? Oh, I know why. So there's a little strip at the back right here. I guess you gotta pull off, and why? Here we go right there. The iPhone 13 Pro Max in that Sierra Blue color. I think they did good. I think if this was a good color, they went ahead and added to the lineup. It looks nice. It looks really, really beautiful. I love it. I love the camera right there. I mean, in comparison, I told you, this is my current phone right now, the iPhone 7 Plus. So this is a big upgrade. Now, I know a lot of people have been telling me, you know, why did you go with the bigger version opposed to the smaller version? I'm not gonna lie, if you can see right here, and let me pull it out for you guys. So this is the two side by side. Let me see if you can actually get that. As you can see, this is the 6.1 and then this is the 6.7. I mean, it just comes down to preference. Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you. I don't really think that this is a good size as well, but if you just want to go just for like more phone, more display, that's the only reason why I went for this. I mean, I like it a lot. I really do. I just think that it really just comes down to preference, honestly. What do you like more? Since this is my mom's phone, let me go ahead and actually put this up. I'm gonna open up my phone so you guys can actually see that. Let's go ahead and take a look at it together. Wait, hold on. And there's that clean. It's so clean though. Let me go ahead and let me show. Can I start it up? Let me start it up. I'm trying to. I can't. It's not start. Oh, here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. I know you guys can see the camera right there, but there it is in its beautiful glory. Oh man, I like it a lot. I like it. In terms of which phone would I go with, now that comes down to your choice. I think the Pro series, like with me, okay, I do a lot of photography, I do a lot of videography, I do a lot of, like, you know, I do YouTube and all that, so it kind of caters to me for that. If you're not like that, I wouldn't go ahead and really, you know, I'd stick with the regular version. I think the regular version is fine. I have a friend who has the regular version as well. It looks good, the quality looks good as well. But if you do want to go ahead and get that extra, you know, upgrade, oh, look at that phone. Hello. If you do want to go ahead and get that, spend more money to get that extra, like, then, you know, the Pro version could be for you. I will leave a link, like I said, down below where you can go ahead and find both of these at. So if you're looking for them, I will go ahead and leave that. So right now I kind of want to go ahead and show you guys like a side-by-side comparison right now. So check it out right here. Look at this. On the left, as you can see, iPhone 13 Pro Max 6.7 inch. And then on the right, the iPhone 13 Pro in the 6.1 inch. Which do you like more? Which color do you like more? I wish I had more colors to actually show you guys, but we just have the gold and we just have the blue. I had a friend of mine who did go ahead and he did grab the, I believe it was the silver color. No, it was the white, and it looked really clean too. I love the cameras on these. I love the cameras. Look at the ports right there. One thing I can already tell is that this phone does smear a lot. So if you can get a case, I would invest into a case though. And yeah, there they go right there. iPhone 13 Pro Max and Pro. Comment down below and let me know. So guys, this is going to conclude today's video over the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 Pro. Let me know how you feel about them down below. Let me know as well how the review was. Did I do a good job? Did I not do a good job? Let me know. Like I said, this is not something I'm normally doing, so if I missed out like some information, I do apologize, but I try, you know, I try my best to bring this review for you guys. I really do hope you enjoy it. Like, let me know which one would you go with. If you did go with the Pro Max version, which color would you get? And if you did go with the Pro version, which color would you get? I think these are really nice. I just like man, technology is getting crazy for phones. We are in the age now that technology is just advancing, and honestly, it's just cool to see, you know. And like whenever you get products like this, it's just like, at least for me, it just always like blows your mind. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I can't thank you guys enough, really. I hope you do enjoy today's video. If you do, go ahead and leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part about this video. Until next time, it has been your boy, it has been your kid, Nephrite. Remember, even if you're new, I say this to all my newest subscribers, all my old subscribers, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. Until next time, this has been your boy, this has been your kid, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 Pro, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.